Thank you, ma'am, for that beautiful and meaningful composition. It is now my privilege to invite our respected principal to address the gathering and share her valuable words of wisdom. To all of you.
Good morning.
A little louder.
Good morning.
A little more louder.
Good morning.
That's like smart wonderites. So welcome back to the school, and I see happy faces. Just keep the smile always and be good. It's a new academic session. Remember that the school is yours, your studies are yours, your teachers are yours, entire staff is yours. With this belongingness, we will start the school, and the learning what you will have it here, please carry it forward to the home, to the community, and make a better place for the world. So this is a message to all of you, and I always want smiling faces. Yes, class 10th? Can I have a wave from class 10th? Yes, ma'am? Yes, that's right, good. So you understand the instructions now. Okay, so all the best to all the teachers. Everybody out here, have a wonderful year, lot of aspiration, hard work, and lot of smiles to be there, lot of achievements to be there by the end of the year. So good luck to you, and congratulations for coming to the next class. A big round of applause to all of you. Little louder. That's like smart wonderites. So before we proceed further, I would like to introduce few new members of our school. So starting with Academic Coordinator 3 to 5, can I have Ms. Shikha Sondi? I want a big round of applause for ma'am. She is the Academic Coordinator 3 to 5. And our Academic Coordinator 6 to 8, Ms. Rajni Jethi. Can I have a big round of applause for ma'am? She is our Academic Coordinator, she will be looking after you. And we also have a Vice Principal, Dr. Parul Bhargav. A loud round of applause for her. And everybody else, new members have also joined. You will be gradually noticing them. Please wish them. And I wish the new member, new leadership role given to all the stalwart of the school to proceed with a bigger and bang for the Smart Wonder School. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating and encouraging words. They truly inspire us to strive for excellence. Thank you, ma'am, to celebrate achievement and excellence. I invite our respected enrichment head to announce the Best House Trophy.
Very good morning, children. I really cannot hear you. Very good morning, children. Much better. Morning. This enthusiasm should always be there. So, without taking much time, I'll announce the result. Last year, session 2025-26, the house, which was the winner house, I'm sure most of you would be knowing that. Which is the house? So there's no doubt about it. Yes, it is the Oak House. A big round of applause to Oak House students and Oak House teachers for scoring the maximum. Now, let me tell you, children, that these scores and these points are only for when you grab the opportunities. Grabbing the opportunities means you have to participate. There are students I have seen that they are not willing to participate. So this year, let's take an oath that all of us, whatever activities are coming our way, we need to participate. Doesn't matter if we don't win. Participation itself is success. So let's participate, grab all the opportunities. So Oak House teachers, last year house teacher, Oak House house teacher and deputy house teacher, along with the other teachers, please come forward, and may I request ma'am, principal ma'am, to hand over the rolling trophy to Oak House. I would want class 10 students, Oak House class 10 students to please come forward. All Oak House teachers to come, and class 10 Oak House students to please come forward. And once again a big round of applause. The Josh is still missing. This year, I'm sure it would be some other house with a healthy competition. House and deputy house teacher, please come forward.
As we step into this new academic year, let us promise ourselves to be disciplined, dedicated, and determined. May this session be filled with knowledge, success, and joyful learning experiences. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to grow into a better version of ourselves. Let us now conclude this assembly by paying respect to our nation. I invite everyone to stand straight for the national anthem, to be led by the school choir.
Ready for national anthem? National anthem, begin.
जन गण मन अधिनायक